Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Today I have decided to fix the wall socket for the phone line.
Why?
Because it's always giving me a problem for my internet connection. To change it from this, as you can see, this is a very old style, to this. I bought it today. And I bought a cable of 2.5 meters because I'm going to put the modem up there. So let me show you where is my modem. It's behind this. Yes. Now, the socket. First of all, let's open this one because I'm going to touch it here. See this? I'm going to attach it to the wire over here. Okay.
After 10 minutes.
It is not difficult. Just connect the first wire to this side and the other wire connect it to the side. Plug one part of the phone cable to this and the other to your modem DSL and wait until internet line comes.
After 5 minutes.
Yay! Finally, I fixed it. I have internet line. Now I'm just going to put it on the higher part of the house because I'm told that it's best to put the modem on the top of something rather than down here below. So, see you guys again when I have something